Nature tells the greatest stories. Joshman, Jehovah's wisdom in creations.
In a universe filled with silence, billions of worlds drift in darkness. Burning worlds, frozen wastelands, toxic spheres wrapped in deadly clouds, each one shaped by powerful forces, yet lifeless. But among them all, one planet breathes. One planet flows with life. Earth, a world of oceans, forests, and living creatures. But why here? Why this planet and not the others? The distance that changed everything. Earth orbits at a very precise distance from the Sun, within what scientists call the habitable zone, a narrow region where temperatures allow liquid water to exist. Move closer to the Sun, and you arrive at Venus, a world consumed by heat. Its thick atmosphere traps energy, creating a runaway greenhouse effect. Temperatures rise above 460 degrees Celsius, hot enough to melt metal. No oceans, no life. Now move farther away, to Mars, a cold, desolate desert. Temperatures plunge far below freezing. Water cannot remain liquid on the surface. What once may have flowed is now locked away as ice. Between these extremes sits Earth, balanced, stable, alive. The power of water. Water is the foundation of life. On Earth, it flows freely across vast oceans, through rivers, falling from the sky as rain. It shapes landscapes, regulates temperature, and sustains every living organism. But look at other worlds. Mercury, too close to the Sun, its surface scorched beyond survival. Venus once may have had water, but extreme heat caused it to vanish. Mars holds water only as frozen remnants. Only Earth maintains water in its most powerful form, liquid, dynamic, life-giving, essential. The breath of life. Earth is wrapped in a protective blanket, an atmosphere perfectly balanced for life. Oxygen fuels living organisms, nitrogen stabilizes the system, and the ozone layer shields the surface from harmful radiation. But not all atmospheres are created equal. On Venus, the air is thick, toxic, and crushing. Clouds of sulfuric acid fill the sky. The pressure is intense enough to destroy most materials. On Mars, the atmosphere is too thin to support life. Heat escapes easily. Breathing is impossible. Earth, however, holds the perfect balance. Not too thick, not too thin. Just right for life to breathe. The invisible shield. Beyond what the eye can see, Earth is protected by a powerful force, the magnetic field. This invisible shield surrounds the planet, deflecting dangerous solar radiation. Without it, the Sun would slowly strip away the atmosphere. And this is not just theory. It happened to Mars. Long ago, Mars likely had a thicker atmosphere and possibly flowing water. But when its magnetic field weakened, the solar wind took everything away. What remains today is a silent, lifeless world. A delicate balance. Earth exists in a state of balance. Oceans absorb and distribute heat. Clouds reflect sunlight. The atmosphere traps just enough warmth to sustain life. This balance creates stable climates and predictable seasons. But other planets tell a different story. On Venus, heat spirals out of control. A runaway greenhouse effect traps energy endlessly. On Neptune, temperatures drop to extreme lows, while violent winds rage across the planet. Earth, in contrast, remains steady, a fragile equilibrium where life can grow and thrive. The Moon's quiet role. Orbiting Earth is a silent partner, the Moon. More than just a light in the night sky, it stabilizes Earth's tilt. This stability keeps seasons consistent and climates from shifting wildly. Without the moon, Earth could experience chaotic changes, making life far more difficult to sustain. The ingredients of life. Life requires more than conditions. It requires the right ingredients: carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen. On Earth, these elements come together under the right conditions to form complex molecules. Cells, organisms, life itself. Other planets may contain some of these elements, but not in the right combination, not in the right environment, not in the right balance. Is Earth alone? Across the universe, there may be other worlds like Earth, hidden among distant stars, planets yet to be discovered. Scientists search beyond our solar system, and even beneath the icy surfaces of moons like Europa. But for now, Earth remains the only known world where life exists in abundance. So many conditions, perfectly aligned. Distance, water, atmosphere, protection, balance. Each one essential. Remove just one, and life as we know it disappears. Earth is not just another planet. It is a rare system, finely tuned for life. A world where everything works together in perfect harmony. And in the vast silence of space, that makes Earth extraordinary. What do you think? Evolution, or was it design?
This is Joshman. Stories of creation, power, and purpose. Stay strong.